What's up everyone, Monster Mike here, and it is Super Celebration 2022. It is go time, that's right. We are finally Wednesday doing it here in Townsend, Tennessee. Now behind me I've got the James Duff booth and of course the legendary Pony Express and its little sidekick, the Colt, is right here at the front. But I gotta show you some new Broncos in the fleet that I've been dying to introduce. Let's check them out. This is Huck, and it is Daytona Metallic Blue. It's a 1972 Ford Bronco Explorer Sport, a very rare option, only 1 year. It's got a 302. It's got a really interesting transmission, 4-speed overdrive. I think it's a T18, but honestly, I don't know. But it drives like absolute fun. And it's got side pipes, 33-inch tires, a 3.5-inch Duff lift. It's got a lot of cool things, but even better, it's gonna get ducked. That's right, if you don't know what that means, the Duck Tough performance package is going on this Bronco. It's gonna be documented right here at the Bronco Garage, so definitely stay tuned for that build. I can't wait to show you guys. Now, there's another one I really wanna show you. Check this out, a 1978 Ford Bronco, 35s, 6-inch, brand new James Duff lift, and it's got the James Duff front bumper as well. That's a winch plate bumper, very, very beefy. You can get it with or without a hoop and side kickers. Now the 6-inch lift is a first level. That means that you can keep your stock radius arms, you can upgrade your coils and leafs, another few goodies to caster correct, but for the most part, it just gets you up, gets the 35s under, and from there you can go to level 2 or even monster. We'll talk about that more later. Now, this is the one I've been really wanting to show you. I gotta go past a bunch more Broncos first. And I know these are all the usual suspects here at James Duff. Absolutely great builds, super cool. But the one I wanna show you the most of is this 1973 Ford Bronco Nebula. That's right. This is it says Bronco Sport, but it's actually a Ranger. There's so many super cool details on this. This is an original Lick Creek Restorations build. It is actually Susie Duff's brand new Bronco. So many cool features. Let's check it out. What we have here is basically very stock master cylinder, stock steering, manual steering, and it's also got the stock manifolds, stock intake. I mean, it is very much stock, but there are some really cool features that aren't stock as well. And I'd love to show you more of that. I'm gonna do a whole video on this Bronco, but for now, we're just gonna show you the highlights. Now, instead of a flat tappet old V8, this is a roller 5.0, which is a nice upgrade. Little more horsepower, and it's really unnoticeable, so it keeps the whole stock look, but it's got a little more pep. Really small tires, but we like it that way because it's gonna start the ground up and then move its way into the first 13 original Duffy products and then go from there. Sky's the limit. Who knows? Check out the interior. Look at that, modern door checks. 3-speed on the tree. It's got a J shift because it's a 73. And you'll notice some of the cool features on this, like interior lighting. It's also got some slider windows on the rear side windows, smoked glass. Very cool. Like I said, it's pretty stock, but it doesn't have stock paint and it doesn't have everything stock, so it makes it a little more modern. Fun to drive for sure. All right, I want to show you a few things on the James Duff products because, hey, we're at a show, right? There's all kinds of new things that are going to be here. You got to know about them. Let's get into the meat and potatoes. I want to show you this display chassis. It has all the new products that James Duff and Lick Creek Restorations has been working on. Let me start with the front. Now, all you see right now is a stock bumper, right? Well, wrong, because look at that. There's a fairlead sticking out of the middle of it. That's right. There's a VR 10,000 worn winch behind here. It's got a winch plate, and it's also got a skid plate that goes underneath that. And it's got a relocation bracket for all the winch controls right underneath the battery tray with the longer cables. That's right, it's a whole hidden winch system that you can buy for your early Bronco, and it just takes 4 bolt holes. That's all. You have to drill 4 bolt holes in the whole thing mounts in. Check that out here at James Duff. Cash and carry. And also, if you end up buying it, free shirt and hat of your choosing. That's right. Check it out. Next, I gotta show you the really big one. A lot of you have been waiting for this. The brand new LCR SS20 gas tank. That's right, that's a stainless steel 20-gallon gas tank that Lick Creek Restorations has developed. James Duff is manufacturing and selling them. This has got everything, and it's available here at the show. Limited supply. In fact, they're going already. I don't know if there's going to be any available by the time you see this video, but these have all the options. Carbureted or EFI, comes with a skid plate, sending unit, pump, wiring, install instructions. It's got it all. And again, if you buy the whole thing, free shirt and hat if you're choosing, because hey, if you love us, we love you. All right, so there's other really cool products on this too, and I want to show you those, but really you need to just get down to the booth because all of these products are being displayed here. The sales guys are excited to show you guys what they do and why you need them. All right, and last but not least, if you spend $500 or more here at James Duff, we're going to throw in a brand new universal hub tool free of charge. That's right, check that out. This thing can work on anything you've got, and it's just really handy. Throw it in the glove box. $500 or more, it's yours. Well, that's it, guys. Definitely come check us out here at the booth. We will answer all your questions, and we have a ton of great product here, and swag, and apparel, and we even got some new trinkets I got to show you as well. Bottle openers, keychains, you name it. All right, well, that's it. We'll see you guys soon. Got 3 more days. Let's do this.